tezzyboi merch is now out. Go ahead and just go in and get some. Get the first thing. It was the hoodie. This called tezzyboi Savage Mode. Go in and get it while you can. We have all colors. All colors. You're a savage if you get it. Yes, sir. Watch how we do this, guys. Three, 2, 1. Get it while you can. Go! The beat. Close to the beat.
tezzyboi here. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this.
With me, guys. Look, hey, it's your boy Nerius in the building of the channel. Look where we at. If you don't know, we're at this place.
Alright, they closed. Lobby closed.
What? Bruh.
I ain't getting this.
This really makes no sense, bro. I should have known that if it was empty like that, it was rigged.
Oh, because it's Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving?
Hey, lobby closed.
Are we really finna sit in this line for some?
What's that supposed to mean?
Bruh. Okay. Have they ever came into the line backwards? Cause I'm finna do it.
Hey, you might want to hurry up till she get in the line. She going in the line.
Oh y'all, look, I just, like, if y'all wanna know what just happened, I just literally, like, I'm in front of them now. Like, they tried to pull up. Like, the way how they got this set up is all kind of weird. But, like, Nerius, be honest, dude. That's what you would call a getaway driver. Oh, where you going? Oh, that ain't even her.
Yes, hello.
Oh, hey.
Where? No, the one that's in the pantry, in the black bag.
What's up, Tay?
Wait, where you at?
We really finna get us some Popeyes just to get us some in our stomach. Cause we probably, most likely, they're finna cook Thanksgiving food, and I'm just finna have a little time with my brother. You know what I'm saying? Having a little bit of time with this little guy, cause
I'm gonna be gone Friday.
Where you going? Yeah, that's her right there. She can't see. We got tents. But look, if I would have had the big camera, this quality would have been so much better. But you know, we do what we can, and this is what we can do. You feel me? You get it. You get it. I'm thinking about doing a prank on Monte. I have to make some bangers. Some bangers. Ain't that right? Bangers?
Bangers.
You already know. Nair's got his own channel. He don't even post anymore, guys. But he got a channel. Y'all can look him up. Deonte Vlogs. That's him. Your boy is here, right here. Bruh, I know we're probably dark, but there you go. The vlog life is real. The vlog life is real. We're listening to Lonely Child, NBA Youngboy. Don't copyright me for showing you guys that. But look. This stuff is so disgusting. It tastes like a popsicle. Try it, my guy. Think about drinking a popsicle. Just drinking a popsicle like that. This man just put his lips over my drink like that.
No, I didn't.
Go ahead. Try it. Don't waterfall it. What?
Am I not supposed to put my lips on it?
This is my brother, and y'all, this is my real brother. Y'all see how strange he's being right now? He don't never do this. It just don't. It's something about it.
It tastes like a orange cream popsicle.
Yeah, it's like, it's something about it. Something about Faygo we don't know about.
No, orange Faygo we don't know about.
We just don't know about what they talking about right here.
Isn't it like them orange popsicles that you get from the school cafeteria? That's like the orange cream. It's orange and then it got the little white cream inside of it that most people be eating during breakfast.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. That is, it's so, so yeah.
Ma'am, you can't skip the line.
What are you doing, ma'am? No, it's not even that serious. People are actually getting hurt for chicken sandwiches nowadays. Calm down. Everyone calm down. Calm down. You watch this too. Calm down.
Where my chicken sandwich at? Where my chicken sandwich?
Bro, we're moving. I don't want to show that license plate. We don't even know these people. Hey, all right. Oh, I showed it. Oh, look. That's childish. But look. We got, so you guys, we got literally on this strip, it's like a little mall strip right here. We got Goodwill, where Neri's like to shop. We got
I hate you so much.
Allstate. And then we got the dentist.
Oh, you trying to be funny.
This literally look like we in Texas right now.
That's how Texas look?
Kind of like the little strip of everything. You know what I'm
I ain't
talking
never been to Texas.
You ain't never looked on videos and stuff? I ain't never been to Texas either, but when you look on video, look at Chris and Queen in them old videos. That's how it look. Just like they got Subway, got Petco. What is really Petco, to be honest?
It's like...
PetSmart?
Technically, yeah.
Oh.
But like Petco is more like...
We got the workout anytime. I guess it's 24 hours, obviously, if it's just anytime. That this guy don't go. So. He do not go there. Yeah, and this guy, I don't know what he's doing. Big bald head.
Did you just hop out of a van?
Yes, sir. Hide your kids, hide your wife.
Hide your life. Hide your life.
You can. So I'm really right here with my brother. We're gonna get some Popeye's chicken sandwiches. Can y'all see it on this menu right here? I think you guys can.
Hey, is the spicy one better than the original?
Yes.
It is?
Yes.
That's what I want.
I'm getting the spicy, 2 spicies. Did you want combo?
It come with a drink. And some fries.
You can get fries, red beans or rice, anything you want.
It's
It's your big day. It's your big day.
big day until December 31st.
Happy birthday to me.
Hey, I'm gonna drop my, you know what I'm saying?
All right, here we go for it.
Wild, just wild. What's that stuff on the spicy chicken sandwich?
What you got there, Billy?
What you got there, Billy?
Welcome to Popeyes. What would you like today?
Can I get a Big Mac?
Can I get 2 spicy chicken sandwiches combo? Combos?
Do you want fries for both the sides?
You want fries?
Yes.
Fries with one, and I would like, yes, fries on both of them.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
What would you like for your drinks today?
Dr. Pepper and sweet tea.
Is that all for you today?
That would be it.
All right, $14.62. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Would you like anything to eat?
So listen, you guys. Oh, I forgot about you guys. Hold on, let me tell them right now. You guys, me and this boy actually got the same thing. Basically, let's show them the food that we got it. We got it, my guy. Well, we could just.
Wait a minute, did they?
We got the Popeyes.
What the?
Wait. What the? Are they trying to share it, bro?
What the heck?
Hold on. It's hot. Some hot stuff on there.
Okay, hold on. I feel like we need to take our seatbelt off because it's getting roomy, dude.
I'm gonna just have my car on. Get it.
All right, so
we got fries. They put all the fries in one thing.
swear to Buddha.
Yeah. Just forget it. Leave it like that.
All right, cool.
So it don't make no mess.
Hold on, are they hot? They cool.
Could be better.
Yeah.
But you know. Let me see if I can put these.
First time trying the spicy chimkin sandwich. Okay.
All right, so
It's my thick.
let's show our thumbnail. You can bite into it.
Okay, hold on.
Ready,
Oh.
set, go.
A little beginner's bite, you dig?
This is swag.
This is fire, better than the original.
I told you that.
Good thing we ain't getting jumped. Oh yeah, our sister is getting black Air Forces for Christmas. So you know what that means, right?
School here.
No, I'm saying just run, because she might beat us up. Jump us. You know what happens when people
I
wear
know,
black Air
people,
Forces.
I know.
Y'all know what happens when people wearing black Air Forces. Run away from them. And if you can't run, scoot. But if you can't scoot, roll. You know where I'm going with, right? Okay, let me eat.
Bro, this chicken sandwich is so good.
It's juicy. tender, spicy.
If they, what would you do if they close Popeyes down? I'm gonna be devastated because they hyped everybody up for this, but I'm not eating this mud pretty no more. I done had made videos on videos on top of this.
What did the Popeyes lady say? Anything about the chicken sandwich?
Good. I don't know.
Never said anything about this. So basically, there's some type of drug in here that's making everybody addicted to these sandwiches.
So how have you been?
My day is going great, Reginald. I just want to say, I'm sorry, I said Reginald. But no, my day was going good. Woke up, had to clean up. We straightened up pretty good. It smelled good in the house now. And I was planning on coming over to Dad's house tomorrow. So I called to see if he'll be able to pick me up tomorrow.
Yeah.
And he was like, y'all is able to come anytime y'all want. Oh, say less. So can I come tonight?
I was in the car. He was in my car when he was talking to you.
So that was you that laughed. You laughed like a little girl. No, like I'm being so serious on the phone.
I did that on purpose. I mean, ha ha ha.
I was gonna say, bro. I was gonna say, Dad got Jaleesa in the car.
You can roll that up.
Bro,
Roll it up.
alright, hold on.
Yeah, I got you. What I want to tell you. Why? Because. Okay, never mind. You know what? They're gonna have.
So I'm about to show you a little something when we get home.
No homo.
It was a meme. It's a meme. Calm down. But still, no homo.
But the way how it fit.
Yeah. But it's a meme on how it's a picture of how Sprite, McDonald's Sprite tastes like, and I promise you,
You got you thinking.
it's accurate. It's accurate. It's all get out because
You do like the memes, I forgot. So what's your favorite meme? Like, have you seen all the memes with the 6ix9ine? Yeah.
That's getting old. But my favorite meme is that one dude. He got a caption on top and he go like this.
Oh,
First off, where you
this ain't trying to hit me.
where you get this North Face jacket?
I got
Tell
it
us
for
about
Christmas.
that. From us.
Got it for Christmas.
Ain't even December yet.
Last Christmas. You remember. When I got home.
Right.
Love this jacket.
No, I say North Face. True Religion.
You are a true religion. That ain't funny. Well, look, I was gonna say something
No,
so
finish
not
it.
funny.
Finish that. Finish it. Finish it. You know you won't finish it.
You look like a true religion pickle. I'm on you now. You look like you go to Petco and ask for PetSmart toys. I'm on you now. You go to Allstate just for your insurance because your insurance ain't up to date. I'm on you now. Your favorite store is Goodwill because they got all the true religion jeans in there. I'm on you now. I'm done messing with you, bro. You got an arrow because you wanted to be the next Avatar. I'm on you now. You wanted to come to Popeyes because you thought this chicken sandwich was gonna give you superpowers. I'm on you now. You talking about?
That one was true. The first time I came to Popeyes and tried the chicken sandwich, the original, not the spicy one. But
Everybody knows it gets spicy.
I didn't. Okay.
Cause you're scared of the heat.
No. I just wanted to see what the original tasted like. Plain. It didn't taste like nothing. It was just doo-doo. It was dry. It was dry.
But it got mayo on it, don't it? Mayo on it.
Yeah, but I asked for it plain.
Oh yeah. Then you just got a normal chicken salad.
I'm starting to not like eat a lot of mayo on chicken sandwiches now.
Yeah.
Because it's just starting to taste weird. Like, mayonnaise don't taste like mayonnaise like they used to. Like, you know how you outgrow the taste of something?
You don't like cheese?
Like, back in the day when I was young, back in my days.
He was told something that made that man stop eating cheese.
Yep. Did you know that cheese comes from cows? What?
You didn't know that?
When I was little.
What milk come from?
Listen.
Milk is dairy.
Listen,
all together.
Listen, when I was young, I was slow.
When you go to
I
school.
was slow when I was...
Listen, when you go to school, literally, it got that little poster that got all the nutrients and stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
The circle inside there. Dairy got milk, cheese. What else? Butter is made with milk too. Yeah, you got butter. It's kind of dairy too. It's all cow.
I know.
Steak is a cow.
Mm-hmm. I ain't know all this.
Cheese is like just milk. All it's like together.
I ain't know all that until I was in 3rd grade.
You didn't even know that until you was in what grade you in now?
11.
11? Oh, you should 11? You're lying. 10. You in 10. How you getting 11?
Let me go up a grade.
You in the grade with me.
I was a smart ass in Stewart Street.
You in the same grade as me. How did you get in the same grade as me now?
Told you.
I gotta pull some weight. You gone. I just found out something tonight. I didn't even know that.
That was smacking.
It was smack. It hit the spot.
It really did.
And
not gonna lie, it got a sweet aftertaste, which is pretty good.
I didn't even taste it all.
Cause you had pickles on yours.
But the pickles fire with it.
When no siree, Bob.
Oh yeah. Look at all these cars though. Let me show you guys something. The hype is real. Look.
Don't give people license plates, you do.
This is the hype right now. We got trucks in line. We got everybody trying to run over each other, probably. Dude, we got the box right here. We got the drinks. Let's try to drink. Come on. Sip it. Oh, wait.
Sip. Sip, not literally drink it.
That was good. I know. When you drink tea, you got to get from the hot part to the cold part. Everybody knows that.
Excuse me? So the cold part at the top?
Cold part is literally up top. Hot part is at the bottom.
That's crazy. It's weird.
No homo, guys. It's my brother who is not fondling with each other's hands.
Cut that part out. No.
Well, guys, let's end this video. This is just our mukbang for the day. See you guys.
Wait, can I try to close the video now? Hold on. It don't work. It don't work for me. See,
Try one more time.
this is exactly why I don't be in your... This is why I don't end your video. Look, watch this. One, no. Trois, deux, un. See? It don't work.
That's crazy.
And I just spat out some French numbers for y'all.
Peace!